Hi all, we are from Excel Public School, Mysore. Our problem statement is Innovate to help children with special needs learn effectively.
Though there are many types of disabilities, we decided to focus on children with intellectual disabilities. Children with an IQ range of 36 to 51 are said to be moderately affected. These children learn things at a slower pace than others. They need extensive repetitions of each word to learn a new word. To understand more about the learning process of these children, we visited some special schools like Matru Mandali Shishu Vikasa Kendra and Karunamani in our neighborhood. The two major inputs the teachers had for us were repetition and interaction to help these children learn effectively. So, we came up with these three learning toys.
Touch and glow for learning alphabets, rainbow wall for learning colors, and count the blocks for learning numbers. Touch and glow is taught to teach alphabets to the children. It is a toy based on Arduino and touch sensors. It has a keyboard input for the teachers to choose the alphabet. If the child touches the alphabet, the teacher wants him or her to find the alphabet glowing. Otherwise, the alphabet does not glow. This interactive light will keep these children curious and make their learning more effective. Rainbow Wall is taught to teach colors to the children. It has a board with stickers of different colors. When the child touches a sticker, an audio module says the name of the color. This helps the children to identify the color as well as pronounce the color on repeated listening.
Green, violet.
Count the Blocks is another game where the children will learn to count numbers. This toy is built with capacitive resistors, an ultrasonic sensor, and an audio module connected to an Arduino Mega. The toy consists of numbered floor mats. At the beginning of the game, the children need to get on a numbered floor mat. They have to count the number written on the floor mat. The children then have to drop the blocks into a box that counts the blocks too. If the child drops the correct number of blocks into the box, an audio of the number is played. If the child drops the wrong number of blocks, they get an audio message asking them to try again.
All three toys are Arduino based and made out of waste cardboard boxes. We enjoyed working on this project and feel proud that we can contribute something to help children with special needs.
Signing off from the team of Learning Toys. Thank you.